Welcome back to my channel here at Tech Imaginations. I'm Susan Vincentz, and in today's video I am so excited to share with you one of Google's brand new features for Google Docs. It's one we've all been waiting for. As a tech coach, my teachers and my colleagues always are asking me, is there a way that I can get notified when somebody makes a change to a document? Well, I'm excited to share. It's here, and I'm going to show you. Travel with me over to Google Docs, and we'll check it out. Well, as you have heard, I am very excited. So here we are in a Google Doc. So I've added a little sentence paragraph here as an example, and I want to show you the notification settings. So we're going to navigate up here to the Tools menu. And if you scroll down, you'll see some new additions here. And one of those new additions is notification settings. So there's always been those times when, as a collaborator, you want to know when someone else makes a change. So here you have several choices. So you can choose when you want to be notified. And here is about all new comments and task activity, or just about the mentions, or just on the document itself and not send notifications. Or you can choose to learn about edits. So up here at the top was only comments, but this is the big change, the edits. And there's times on certain documents when I'm collaborating with teammates that I want to be notified when someone adds or removes content. So I'm going to choose that and hit OK. And then on the other hand, I've already gone up to share, and I've shared this document with someone else. In fact, for practice purposes, I've just shared it with one of my other accounts. So I'm going to make that document pop up here, and I'm going to bring it over. So here we are in my other account, and I have editing rights in this other account. And I'm going to just put a sentence here. And since my person number one over there has asked for notifications, if I check my email, I should get a notification eventually that someone has made a change in that document. It may take a few minutes, but because I have gone to Tools and to the notification settings, it's going to send me an email. Now, again, sometimes that takes a little while. If you notice on comments sometimes, or you do a tag and mention someone to give them a task, sometimes it may take several minutes. Even normal sharing settings takes a few minutes to get notified. So that'll come in your email, and several minutes later, you'll know someone has made a change. So again, make sure you have shared the document with your teammates. And then if you want those notifications on to know when they've made an edit, go to Tools, click on Notification Settings, and you'll be all good to go.